Multiple choice questions on General Studies and General Abilities, Part 28. Question number 271. The Samstandar who played a crucial role in suppressing the 1857 revolt in Hyderabad state. Option A. Kolhapur. Option B. Vanaparthi. Option C. Amarchinta. Option D. Gadwal. The correct answer is option B. Vanaparthi. Question number 272. The Comrades Association in Hyderabad was established in the year. Option A 1934, option B 1936, option C 1939, option D 1942. The correct answer is option C 1939. Let us see the explanation. Along with three other groups, the Comrades Association was organized as the Nizam State Communist Committee in the year of 1939 and played an active role in the Telangana rebellion. So the correct answer is option C 1939. Question number 273. Which of the following organized Go to the Village campaign in Telangana in the year of 1978? Option A Democratic Students Union. Option B Progressive Democratic Students Union. Option C Radical Students Union. Option D Viplava Rachayitala Sangam. The correct answer is option C Radical Students Union. Let us see the explanation. The Radical Students Union did indeed organize the Go to the Village campaign in Telangana in the year of 1978. This campaign was part of their efforts to mobilize students and youth towards revolutionary activities and to spread leftist ideologies in rural areas. The Radical Students Union, along with other leftist organizations, played a significant role in various socio-political movements during that period. So the correct answer is option C Radical Students Union. Question number 274. Name the member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly who resigned when Speaker Yanamalla Ramakrishnadu opposed using of the word Telangana in the assembly. Option A T Harish Rao. Option B Ponnam Prabhakar. Option C Pranay Bhaskar. Option D Kasipeta Lingaya. The correct answer is option C Pranay Bhaskar. Pranay Bhaskar, the member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly who resigned when Speaker Yanamalla Ramakrishnadu opposed using of the word Telangana in the assembly. Question number 275. Who among the following were the members of Pranab Mukherjee Committee? Option A Sharad Pawar and Ghulam Nabi Azad. Option B Shivraj Patil and S.M. Krishna. Option C Shibu Soren and Babulal Marandi. Option D Dayanidhi Maran and Raghuvamsh Prasad Singh. The correct answer is option D Dayanidhi Maran and Raghuvamsh Prasad Singh. Let us see the explanation. Members of the Pranab Mukherjee committee are Dayanidhi Maran of the DMK party and Raghuvamsh Prasad Singh RJD party. Both of these members served as cabinet ministers in the UPA government. Question number 276. Niti Aayog's India Innovation Index 2021 is based on 7 pillars. Which of the following are not part of them? Option A. Business environment and legal environment. Option B. Human capital and investment. Option C. Knowledge output and knowledge diffusion. Option D. Special economic zones and export processing zones. The correct answer is option D. Special economic zones and export processing zones. Let us see the explanation. The innovation index is based on 7 pillars. First one, human capital. Second, investment. Third, knowledge workers. Fourth one, business environment. Fifth one, safety and legal environment. Sixth one, knowledge output. Seventh one, knowledge diffusion. Okay, out of these 7, this one is not part of them, that is special economic zones and export processing zones. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 277. India established full diplomatic relations with Israel in the year. Option A 1956, option B 1989, option C 1992, option D 1998. The correct answer is option C 1992. Let us see the explanation. Since establishing diplomatic relations in 1992, India-Israel bilateral trade and economic ties have progressed rapidly. Question number 278. What is the name of the train that runs between Kolkata in India and Khulna in Bangladesh? Option A. Bangla Milan Express. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore Mail. Option C. Bangla Express. Option D. Bandhan Express. The correct answer is option D. Bandhan Express. Let us see the explanation. The Bandhan Express train is an international express rail service which runs between the Indian city Kolkata and the Bangladesh city Khulna every week. Question number 279. Crude oil remains the primary source of many petrochemical products. What is the name of the process used to separate the various products like petrol, kerosene, paraffin, wax from crude oil? Option A. Osmosis. Option B. Distillation. Option C. Sublimation. Option D. Diffusion. The correct answer is option B. Distillation. Let us see the explanation. The process used to separate the various products like petrol, kerosene and paraffin wax from crude oil is called fractional distillation or distillation. Question number 280. India's position or place in the steel producing countries in the world in 2015 was: Option A. Second largest steel producer. Option B. Third largest steel producer. Option C. Fourth largest steel producer. Option D. Fifth largest steel producer. The correct answer is option B. Third largest steel producer. Let us see the explanation. India became the third largest producer of steel in the world in January 2015, leaving behind the US as the fourth largest producer. The ministry said in a note. According to WCA data, crude steel output in China, the world's largest steel maker, fell by 2.3% to 803.8 metric tons in 2015 compared to the year ago period. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.